In today's video, I will teach you how to turn a selfie into a pop art or comic book style image using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Photo or AI Artifacts page. This tool transforms any photo into a stylized artwork using AI. Now click the Upload button and choose the selfie or portrait that you want to turn into art. But make sure the image is well lit and shows your face clearly for the best results. On the left panel, you'll see a search bar labeled Search Effects. So type in pop art and hit enter. Now choose from the available pop art style filters, which often mimics bold colors and halftone patterns like Andy Warhol's iconic look. You can also use the slider on the left to adjust the intensity of the effect. Then click the Compare button at the bottom right to preview the before and after versions. Now, we're going to try the comic book style. To do this, go back to the Effect categories and select Cartoon. Now scroll down and look for the Vintage Comic effect. Now click it to apply, and processing usually takes around 10 seconds. And you can compare the result with your original using the Compare button again. But if you're not quite satisfied with the default comic effect, you can try searching for the American comic for that bold, inked superhero look, or try the Simpsons style for a quirky animated transformation. Now click and preview each style to see which one you like best. And once you're happy with the final result, you can click the download button. And you'll have the option to save the image in standard or HD resolution. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.